Hello and welcome. This is my first of 2 tutorials from BeeBee Crafts. So if you missed what I got previously, I will link my haul video in the description, as well as links to everything that I received. So these are size 6 jump rings. These come already open. They have many different jump rings on their site, so you can really choose the size, color, and details that you'd like. Not many jump rings come open, but there's two. So in this video, I'm going to teach you an alternative way to open and close jump rings. So in case you might be struggling with your jump rings, or like me, I'm legally blind, so I find that this way helps me a lot more because I can feel it a lot more. You will probably not find any other tutorial like this on YouTube because it is kind of a way I made up for myself. I'm not saying nobody else has done it, but this is not the traditional way. So I have these pliers. I believe they're needle nose. I could be wrong. These were not from BeeBee Crafts, but if you don't have any pliers, they do have a large selection. So first thing I would say is absolutely make sure your hands are clean for this step. I find it very difficult if your hands are sweaty or clammy at all from working. I usually have to get up a few times while I'm making things for my shop just to wash my hands. It's just easier to grab. I will also link my Etsy shop in the description. So what I do is I'm right-handed, so I take the pliers in my right hand and I hold the jump ring in my left hand. I kind of feel for where the opening is. Now, like I said, this one's already open. I get close to the tip of the right side with the pliers, and I use my left hand as the second pair of pliers to pull it up and close it. Then you can kind of take your nail to feel, if you need to, if you are low vision, you can take your nail to kind of feel how much gap is left in the ring. And then from there you can continue to pull it if you need to. And sometimes, depending on how you opened it, you might need to push it. That's very rare. You're not really supposed to push them together, but sometimes when you open them, that happens. Now, say your jump ring is already closed like this, and you need to know how to open it when you can't really see all that well. Again, take your nail, find their opening, because there's always like a little gap. You're going to point that up, the gap up, grab the pliers with your dominant hand, and take your thumb with your non-dominant hand, and push it the opposite way. So if you're pulling your pliers towards you, you're going to push your thumb away from you. And that's going to open it. This is a toll on your fingers. I'm not going to say it's not, but it's worth it to be able to do the thing that I love. I will typically have a little split in my nail. It doesn't hurt. When you're doing a lot of it at a time, it can hurt, and depending on how strong the jump ring is, it can hurt, because some are more flimsy than others. But it's definitely worth it for me. So let me know if this helped you. I don't know how many low vision crafters are out there, but hopefully this helps somebody. And you can check out BeeBee Craft in their description. They also have a YouTube program, so if you're a YouTuber with over 100 subscribers, you can contact them to get free stuff for making videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet from them. Thanks for watching.